ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयुन्
अयुन्
ऋलुक्
ऋक्
ए ओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणनम्
ञमगणनम्
जभै
झभै
घटधश्
घटधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
कफछठथ छटतौ
कफछठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालो
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतरसानां दन्ताः
लिट्टुलसानां दन्ताः
उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
पद्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
ओष्ठौ
न्यामाङ्गनानां नासिका च
न्यमागणानां नासिका च
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
उदौतोः
कण्ठ
कण्ठ
ओष्ठम्
ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो राजमणिः सदा
विजयते
विजयते
रामं
रामं
रमेशं
रमेशं भजे।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय
रामाय
तस्मै
तस्मै नमः।
नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति।
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गतिः।
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः।
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं
रामाय कार्यं नमः।
रामाद्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे।
रामाद्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे।
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः।
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः।
रामो मे विगितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्।
रामो मे
विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्।
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्।
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्।
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य सर्वं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं
रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय।
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय।
संहितैकपदे नित्या
संहितैकपदे नित्या
नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या
नित्याधातुसर्गयोः
धातुसर्गयोः
नित्या समासेवाच्येतु
नित्या समासेवाक्येतु
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते.
विवक्षामपेक्षते.
So where are we? Which Sandhi we saw?
Last
Or
we
they have to
saw
see
Anunasika.
Anunasika.
from here, right?
Yes. Jaswa 1 we have seen.
We've
From
seen
Jaswa
Guruji.
Sandhi 2.
Okay, we'll just have a quick look from here. Just a Sandhi. First, we always, when you do Sandhi, you have to apply Jastam. For the word ending with Jal letter. Padam. Word means it's a fully formed word. Case of inflected word. A word, what I mean by word is it's a padam. That is with the pratyaya, supratyaya. Supporting. So that's a padanta, the word is used. Jal, the pratyahara covers.
4321 sibilants.
And sibilants.
Yes, it
All, not all this. Yeah, of course, all the sibilants, yes. Also, yes. So that will be replaced by corresponding just letter, which is the third class of class constants. All the class constants. Yatha trishtu plus namati. Trishtu namati. Right?
Yes.
After that, what will happen? Trishtu plus namati. Trishtu namati. Then further sandhi can happen if you go by follow the sequence. Not in the sequence, right? What sandhi?
Anunasika.
Anunasika.
Here relative.
Yeah, exactly. That bakara is here. So that will be the following sandhi. Your letter will be replaced by corresponding anunasika. That is
Makara.
makara. Fifth letter of that respective class.
When followed by an anunasika letter.
When followed by anunasika. Varga panchama varnaha sarve anunasikaha. All the fifth letters, fifth letter of all the classes, they are anunasika. So when anunasika follows, parasavana sandhi. This which we give a name, right? Parasavarna. Paras. Oh, not sorry, not parasa. Purvasavarna. No? Not parasavarna. Parasavarna, purvasavarna. Savarna to savarna of this letter. I think we just call by anunasika sandhi. Yes.
Purvasavarna.
Not purvasavarna. Purvasavarna. Either purvasavarna, not parasavarna. We just call it as akara will be replaced by corresponding anunasika sandhi only. That's, I think that's the name we give. That name and all we give. So we can give a name and understand. So there's nothing significant about the name. But sandhi, air letter followed by that, it's going to come. Then Shutta Sandhi, the sequence. Shutta Sandhi is here, unlike other Sandhi, Vidhi, here Sakara can, Sakara Tavarga, in contact with. It means the Shakara or Chavarga can be either following or preceding. That is why in contact. When I in contact, I used it as a translation. Why? Because the sutram, if you see, it will be Tritiya Bhakti, Shuna, in contact. It can be either before or the following, after. So whichever the case, so the weakest one is Sakara and Tavarga. That will be replaced by corresponding letter. Sakara will be replaced by what letter?
Talavya Shakara.
Talavya Shakara.
Why Talavya Shakara? Because Shakara, Chavarga. This is the Adesha. Shakara or Chu. Which one you will select? Saka for Sakara. Right? Match for Sakara.
Shakara.
Sakara being a sibilant. Therefore, you have to choose a sibilant. You cannot choose a class concept, right? So Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. Similarly, when Tavarga to be replaced by Stu, in contact with the Stu, which one you will replace?
Chavarga.
Because that is the class consonant. You cannot replace the class consonant Tavarga by a sibilant. Therefore, replaced by corresponding class consonant. So that is Chu will replace Tu. Shakara will replace Shakara. Shutta. But one exception is there. When Tu is preceded by Shakara, Shakara should be the last letter of the first word. And the following word begins with the letter Tavarga. Then Shutta Sandhi will not apply. Right?
Yeah.
Like the example, Prashnaha, Vishnaha, etc. So I have not given the example. I can write the example also. Like you have the word Prashnaha or Vishnaha. You can see here Shakara and the Tavarga in contact. But what happens? Nakara doesn't become
Myakara.
Nakara. So that is the example. Okay, so you can see. Then Shtutta Sandhi. Therefore, Apavada is important. Apavada will overrule the general rules. Apavada takes precedence over the general. Exceptions are powerful. Exceptions are general. Which one will take precedence? Always exception. That is why exception we have to see whether any exceptions are applicable. If they are applicable, that should be applied. Not the general rule. You know the reason? If you apply general rule, then why exceptions are there? So exceptions will never have chance for application. If that is so, then why should we have a separate rule for exception? Not required, unnecessary. Nothing is unnecessary in the grammar. No sutra, no rules. So every rule, every sutram has its application. So therefore, exception takes precedence over the general rule. Then Shtutta Sandhi. As in the case of Shtutta, here Shtutta, Sakara in contact with Murdanya letters. Murdanya, sibilant, Pushmavarna, Murdanya, Tavarga, Venjana, class cons, Varga Venjana, Tavarga. Like the same thing here, Sakara will be replaced by Shakara, Tavarga will be replaced by corresponding, Tavarga will be replaced by corresponding Tavarga letter. Here also we have exceptions, 2 exceptions. What are they?
When Tavarg Padanta Tuhu
Is followed by
Tu.
Padanta.
Tu followed by Stu.
Followed by
Sakara
Stu.
or Tu.
For that also we have exception. Except is an exception. That will be general. Like Nami,
Nam, Namavati,
Navati and Nagari.
One more exception.
Yes. When Tuhu is followed by Murdanya Shakara.
Murdanya Shakara.
Then also Shtuttam will not apply. When Stu is preceded by Padanta Tu, it means that the last letter of the first word.
The first word.
And should be a Padam. It's not just a Shabda, it's a Padam. It means when two padams we combine. So, and the last letter happened to be the Tavarga. The following letter is 2. Then Shtutam will not happen. With the exception of Nam. Nam is a pratyaya. Nam is Shashti Vyakti Bhagavachana pratyaya. What is the Shashti Vyakti Bhagavachana pratyaya? Nas, Os,
Am.
Am. That Am will get one Agama, Nut Agama, because of which Am will become Nam. Like you have Ramanam, Ramanam, Harinam, Gurunam, Mitrunam. Everybody you have Nam, right? How do you get that Nam? There's a rule. When the Pratipadikam is Rasva, I'm just giving one example, okay? When the Pratipadikam is Rasva, like Rama, Shabda if you take, followed by Am, that Am will get one Nut Agama, one Nakara will come, because of which Am will become Nam now. Understand? Once it becomes Nam, then the Rasva is there, Rama, that will become Dirgha. It's a rule. Okay. Don't ask what is the rule, we'll see a lot later. Just to note this. This is not only for Rasva, also for Srilinga, Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda. Yes. See, Rama is a Shabda ending with the letter
Makara.
Makara.
not Makara.
Sorry.
Okay.
Ending with Akara, I have to say.
Yes.
Deepya, you catch up the vibration of the people. You have to tell of your own. When Akanksha tells only, you also follows it. You tell of your own. Rama plus Am. Rama, the Shabda ending with Rasva. Akara. In fact, this is a basic thing I teach in the beginning. This is a general mistake people will do. When I ask what is a letter, it ends with, they say Ma. That's not Ma. It's not Ma. It is A. Because this is equal to Makara plus A. That is why Akarantaha Shabdaha it is. Makaranta Pullingaha Rama Shabdaha. Otherwise it will become Makaranta Shabda, Halanta Shabda. Is it Halanta Shabda?
No.
It is Ajanta Shabda. So ending with Rasvakara, followed by the Pratyaya, Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya. This will get Nuttagama. You know Agama, I taught you, right?
Yes.
Nuttagama. Where this will come? This is a Tittagama. I taught you,
Yes.
did I teach you Agama?
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
Three types of Agama?
Myth, not.
Yes. Myth is one type of Agama. Then what are the other two?
Nut Agma and
Not
Agma.
Nut. No.
At Agma.
No. That's
No.
not that.
Then
Sorry? Tit
Kit.
Myth and
Kit.
Kit.
and Kit.
And
Agma and Kit Agma.
Yes. Three types of this Agama.
Kit, meat, and Kit.
And based on this, here it letter, the Agamas. Here Takara is it, the Hottit Agama. If Makara is it, like Num, then it is
Myth Agma.
Mittagama. Suppose if we have Nuk,
Cook. So Kit Agma.
Takara is it. It is called Kittagama.
Kit Agma.
Based on the it letter, only we have Takara, Makara, Kakara, only as Agama. Okay. We don't have any other thing. So Agama can be either Tit Agama. So we can call this Tit as Tit Agama. We can refer to this as Mit Agama. Similarly here, we can refer to Nuk as Kit Agama. So Tit, Kit, Mit. So if the Agama is Tit, then the Agama, that Agama will come before the Sthani. This is a Sthani. So here it will come. Tit Agama is ordained for this arm. By some rule, don't worry about that. Content of Nut is
Nakara.
Nakara, not Na. Takara is it,
Nakara.
Who is it, content is Nakara. So Nakara plus Am will become
Nam.
Na.
Now Nam follows. This is a Nam in the rule, Sutram. When Nam follows, this is a Nam. Right? So this Nam follows, this Rasva Pratipadikam will become Dirgha. That is why we have Ramanam. Ramanam, after that, what will happen? Nakara.
Natvam.
Anatavam will come.
Ramanam.
Ramana.
Similarly, Hari, Rasva Ikara, followed by Am, will get Nuttagama,
Harinam.
and it become Am. Then the
Hari,
Rasva will
Nam.
become Dirgha because of the
Dirgha.
following Pratyaya. Nam becomes
Harinam.
Harinam. Similarly, Guru, etc. Everything.
Hmm.
So Nam referring to the Pratyaya. Now in the rule, coming back here, here we have Nam, which is Pratyaya. With the exception of this Nam, it means when Nam follows, it will happen. When Nam follows, but here it is all verbal. So this is not an example for this rule. The example for this rule we can take when Nam follows, that is when Shat or Shad plus Nam. I said it is Am only. For Rasva and for Rasva Nam, this Nuttagama will come. It's not only for Rasva, even for the Shat also it will come. Even for the word Shat, that Agama, Nut will come for Am. I won't expect you to remember all these things, but this is all extra. Okay, so if you know it, if you don't know it's also, it's okay, it doesn't hurt us. Understand?
Yes.
There's a next rule which in the sequence is the word ending with the short vowel get Nuttagama. The word ending with the Srilinga, Ikaranta, Ukaranta also will get Nuttagama, like if you take Nadi Shabda. What is the Shashti Bhakti of Nadi?
Nadinam.
There also, because yet ending with Ikara. Ikara and Ukara only, not any other letter. There also it will get Nuttagama, because of which it become Am. Therefore you get Nadinam. Ukara, like Vadu. Vadu plus Am. You become
Vadunam.
Vadu. What is meaning of Vadu? Daughter-in-law.
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 So Vadu Nam. Understand?
Guruji, Rama Shabda.
Rama Shabda also, yes. Rama Shabda, already it is long. So where is the question?
But
Already we have,
Nakara will come, no Guru?
yes,
There
Nakara
is
will come.
Akara is there.
Yeah, so Akaranta also, sorry. For Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta. Three, yes. Rama is good. Rasvanadhyapo note. There Apa also is, a Sutram is. So for Akaranta also, yes. Rama plus Nam becomes Rama Nam. Nattam also happens, yes. For Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, and Rasvanta. Not only that, we have for the word Shad also. In fact, this is a rule. Not only Shad, even we have one more is there. Chatur also. I will summarize later. Now, Shad plus Am. Here also Nut will come. By that, become Nam. After that, what will be done?
Shadnam.
After that,
Jaswa Sandhi will. No.
no, Shtutva.
Shtutva Sandhi will come. Yes. Shat. It will become
Plus
Shat.
Nam.
Here, one important thing you're forgetting. So, what Sandhi will come?
Anunasikas. Sandhi.
What
No,
Sandhi?
before
What is the
that-
immediate Sandhi?
Dakara will become Ta.
Takara will become?
Takara.
Okay.
No, Shat will become Shad.
It is Shat plus Nam. Okay.
Then it will become
Shad.
Shad.
How does it become?
Just one.
When do you apply just Nam one?
It is the first Sandhi, no, Guruji?
When do you apply? What's the condition?
Padanta.
Padanta,
So
Padanta.
this is
yeah,
not.
Padanta, but
Oh, it is.
Now
Shat
the
is
question
Padam.
comes, is a
Ah.
padam or not?
Yes.
yes.
Tell me how.
Shat means 6.
Hmm.
Huh?
Shat means 6, no? Six.
That is not my question. And whether it's padam or not. Shat meaning 6 is okay.
Hmm.
It's padam or not?
It is Padam.
It is
Marut Shabda I
Padam,
taught you.
Guruji.
Marut, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Guruji, the
Ah.
su is dropped. So Shat is 1-1. No?
No. You remember Padasanya? Technical Padasanya. That Padasanya before adding the Pratyaya itself, Padasanya is given to the Shabda so that some changes happen.
Yes.
What is that?
So 3, 3, 2,
Yeah.
certain,
What are
3,
they?
2,
Tell me.
3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3,
Hmm.
and 7, 3.
Yes. When followed by 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3,
4, 3, 5, 2, 5,
5,
3,
2,
and
5,
7.
3,
And 3 and
And
7.
7,
and
3.
7, 3. Then the Pratipadikam enjoys what Sanya?
Pada.
Padam
Padam.
Samsanya.
Padasanya.
Yes.
When 3, 2, 3, 3.
Hmm.
What is the similarity of 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, and 7, 3? These pratyas, these 7 pratyas are,
Pavarga. They are in. No, but not. Hmm.
Sup is not Pavarga.
Yes.
These pratyas beginning with a consonant.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Of course, Su is that leave it out. That is not considered because Su anyway for Pullinga and all it is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya.
Hmm.
See, Su, Au, Jas, Ammout. These 5 enjoys Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, right? For Pullinga and
Hmm.
Srilinga. Let
Yes.
us talk about Pullinga and Srilinga alone.
Hmm.
What about the rest of the Pratyas? Even Sambodhana also Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. So exclude this. What about the rest? The rest are not Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Right?
Hmm.
Yes or no?
No, Guruji.
Before
No. I don't.
Su, Au, Jas, Ammout are called Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Have you heard about Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya?
No.
No.
No?
Mm-hmm.
Marut Shabda you must have heard. Otherwise, how do you?
Yes.
Marut, we have done whole thing.
Ah, okay. Please note this. This is important. It's very useful thing. If not, if you have not seen, you will see. You're taking a diversion from here. It's okay, but this knowing the pratyas will be useful. Su, Au, Jas, Ammout, Shas. Su, Au, Jas, Out. Right? It's first 5 pratyas. And the last Sambodhana, that's all. That is also Aujas, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So that we don't have to mention the Sambodhana Aujas separately. So you take the first this 7 Vibhaktis Pratyaya, the 21 Pratyas. Among the 21 Pratyas, Su, Aujas, and Out.
Out.
These 5 Pratyas, they enjoy the Sanya Sarvanamasthana. The name is a name given to the Pratyaya. It's just a name. Please see. Sarvanamasthana. It's a name. It's a long name. Just a name only. Name given to the Pratyaya. For Pullinga and Srilinga, the first 5 are Sarvanamasthana. Sambodhana is same as Prathama, therefore we don't have to consider. We can consider, you can say 5 plus 3, 8. And for Napumsakalinga, just is 1, 3. Shas is 2, 3. So just and shas are this Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. Of course, Sambodhana also we have just, right? So have just. So therefore that is also. So first Napumsakalinga, just and shas, and Pullinga and Srilinga, su au just au. We can call this su au just au just a short no, we can refer to by a short notation. We can call Sut Pratyaya. What are Sut Pratyaya?
Sut. First 5.
Starting with
Su
ending
au
with
just
Am
au.
out.
So ending with au. We are forming a pratyahara. Sut pratyayas. For Pullinga and Srilinga, they enjoy the singya. What singya?
Sarvanama
Sarvanama.
Thana.
For Napumsakalinga, 1, 3 and 2, 3. Okay. It's a name. Just a name. Name you can understand, right?
Yes.
Now, what about the rest? That's what my question is here. What about the rest of the pratyas, excepting these? They are not Sarvanamasthana, right? Therefore, they must be Asarvanamasthana, non-Sarvanamasthana. Na Sarvanamasthana, what is opposite of Na? Friend, unfriend,
Asarva.
Dharma, adharma. Similarly, here also Asarvanamasthana, right? The rest of the pratyas, those pratyas which are not Sarvanamasthana, they call Asarvanamasthana pratyaya, right? Now, I taught you just only name only, okay? Now, among the Asarvanamasthana pratyaya, right? You can see Shas, the pratyaya beginning with the vowel, right? Content is As. What is the content of Ta? A. And Nge?
A.
And
Ne.
Nasi?
Asti.
Huh?
Nasi. Nasi.
What is the content of Nasi?
C.
E.
C. C is a content.
E.
What is the content of the pratyaya Nasi?
Us only, no, Guru?
As only. People are blabbering, I don't know. Deepakaji. What is me, see? I don't know. Huh? As is the content.
Asi.
Don't say Asi. Again, I'm saying As is the content, not Asi.
Oh, okay. Us.
Didn't we see all this thing before? We have seen.
Yes, yes.
Content of us. Content of Nas is us.
Us.
Content of Ni is
E.
E. So you can see the pratyas. And of course, Am and Os also. Os. All these are Asarvanamasthana pratyaya because the first 5 already I told you. Sarvanamasthana and Sambodhana also I'll leave it out. Sarvanamasthana only. What is the similarity of this Asarvanamasthana pratyaya?
Yes, all beginning with vowel.
Exactly. And what about these pratyas? This is what we started with. These are the pratyas beginning with
Consonant.
consonant. Therefore, Asarvanamasthana pratyaya beginning with the consonant. Beginning with the consonant, right? How many others? 7. The balance Asarvanamasthana pratyas are all beginning with vowel.
Yes.
So when these Haladi Asarvanamasthana pratyaya follows, the Pratipadikam enjoys the Padasanya. This is what I taught you in fact.
Yes, okay.
Why I say 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3, 7, 3.
Yes.
When the Sarvanamasthana pratyaya beginning with a consonant follows, then the Anga, that is Pratipadikam, enjoys technically Padasanya. Therefore, we can apply all the rules pertaining to Padam. Understand?
Yes.
With the exception of Yakara. Okay, Yakara is not here, therefore I said Aladi. With the exception of Yakara. Please note. Yakara is a consonant, right? The pratyaya beginning with Yakara. Okay. Now, I said the pratyaya beginning with the consonant, when the pratyaya, it is a haladi, Sarvanamasthana, Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, Anga enjoys Pratipadika Sanya. What about these Pratyas? These are also Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, beginning with the vowel. Then the Anga will enjoy what Sanya? Bha Sanya. Just Bha. One letter.
Bha.
Bha. It's a technical name.
Bha.
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 Just Bha. The Pratipadikam gets a Sanya Bha. Bha doesn't have any meaning. Don't think that what is Bha. Bha is just a name. You can give any name like that. They're all artificially created name. Parijat Maharshi wants to give some name, so he calls her Bha. We have many names like that, not only Bha. We have Bha, we have Do, something like that we have. Okay. So it's just a name. Bha doesn't have any meaning. It just calls Bha. But it's an important sanya, Bha. So Anga the Pratipadikam enjoys sanya Bha when followed by Ajadi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, right? So this is what. So when followed by Ajadi Asarvanamasthana, the Anga the Pratipadikam enjoys Bha sanya. When followed by Haladi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, Anga enjoys what sanya?
Other Sanya.
Pada Sanya.
With the exception of Yakara. When Yakaradi Pratyaya, Yakaradi not here in the screen. I mean, for this Pratyaya is not there, but Yakaradi Pratyayas are there in other Tadita Pratyaya, etc. So when Yakaradi Pratyayas follows, Anga will enjoy Basanya. So that's why I said with the exception of Yakara. So Yakara not there, we need not worry. No, it's okay. So therefore, what are these Pratyayas? You should be able to tell the property. What are these Pratyayas? Now.
Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, starting with vowel.
If given one Pratyaya, you should be able to tell all the properties. Dhyam. Dhyam is Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachana Pratyaya, number one. First of all, it is a Pratyaya. What is a Pratyaya? Pratiyate Vidiyate.
Suffix.
Tasmadeti. English translation suffix. That which is ordained after the Prakriti. The Prakriti is Pratipadikam. Then this is a Supratyaya. So first of all, this is a Supratyaya, comes under Sup. And number two, it is Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachana Pratyaya. Number three, this is a Pratyaya beginning with Haladi and Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, because of which the Anga will enjoy the Padasanya. All these things will come out of this, right? So similarly for Vyam Bis, Vyam Byas, then Sup. The 7 Pratyayas of the Sup Pratyayas or Haladi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, when they follow the Pratipadikam enjoys Padasanya. The Ajadi as well as Yakaradi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, when they follow the Pratipadikam, they enjoy Bhasanya. Bha is not important now. Leave that out. Now, coming back here. Shatu plus now. Now, the Pratyaya beginning with
Haladi.
Previously it was Am. But what happened? It gets one Agama, Nut Agama. Because of Nut, the Ajadi Pratyaya, now it has become Haladi. And it is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya or Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya? Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Sarvanamasthana always just somewhat only. So therefore, this Anga will enjoy Sanya. Will you enjoy the status of what? The Pratipadikam. Bhasanya. The Anga Pratipadikam will enjoy the status of what? Just what I said.
So it will be Padasanya only because it is.
Yes. When Haladi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Pratipadikam enjoys the Padasanya. Therefore, only Jashva Sandhi is applicable. You understand?
Okay.
To apply Jashva Sandhi, this must be a Padam. Otherwise, you cannot apply. What is the rule?
Padanta.
Padanta jal.
Hmm.
Padanta jal is replaced by corresponding just
Corresponding
letter.
just
Dash letter.
If it is a Pratipadikam, how will you apply?
Hmm.
You cannot apply. Now you can see how it has gained the status of being a padam. When followed by asarvanamasthana, aladi asarvanamasthana pratyaya, the Pratipadikam enjoys padasanya. Therefore, gesture vidhi is applicable. Therefore, shat will become shad. Shad plus tam. Now you apply what? Now you apply Shtutva Sandhi.
Shrutva Sandhi.
This is Padanta 2. Yes or no?
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes.
Followed by 2.
Yes.
By the rule,
Hmm.
we should not apply. But we have an exception to the exception. Therefore, we can apply.
Ah.
Hmm.
Padanta Tavarga when followed by 2. Tuttam will not happen, but we have an
Apply.
exception with the exception of Nam, Navati, Nagari.
Hmm.
Therefore,
Yes.
it is applicable. Applying that, what will happen?
Shanna.
Shad plus
Shadana.
Nam.
Nam. After that, this is for Anunasika follows the year letter. Therefore,
Corresponding Anunasika. So Shannam.
therefore, Shanna.
Shanna.
That's why you get Shanna. Understand?
Hmm.
To now here to explain this, that Shat enjoys Padasanya, I have to explain this Sranamastana.
Hmm.
Pratyaya. Anyway, it's good to know it. We'll talk about that later in detail. The context will come. But understand what are Sranamastana Pratyaya important.
Yes.
Again, I say you have to remember this important. Then will not be any. No, if you want to write, you can write notes.
Yes.
But you must write actually keep it not separately.
Yeah.
We'll talk about this in detail when we deal with Subanta. But please note, you have you write something
Yes.
and you can send it to the group also. Others, if you write it
Yes.
neatly, others will be useful for others. Yeah, but I will not send my notes. I will send later after
Sure.
explaining in detail when the context comes. This is out of context.
Hmm.
Because I have to
Rishi-
explain how the word Shat enjoys Padasanya. For that, I thought I had already taught you Sranamastana. I don't remember what I taught you, really speaking. Yeah. What I taught you, what I did teach you, I don't know.
We've not.
I thought I taught you already this. Okay.
Okay, just one doubt.
Hmm.
Regarding this content, we say no, so the content is no. So how do we arrive this? Because I am really confused here. Now, say for example, Panchami Vibhakti here in Supratyay, there is Nasi. So how, I thought it is the last letter, like E. C is Sakara plus E. So that is E is the content. I was under impression so how do we get this content?
You're asking me to teach a sutra, actually.
Oh, sorry, sir. So then,
It's okay. But that's why, if I teach them, I don't know how many will be able to understand. That's why I get the content of the pratyaya in the beginning itself.
So
I've given the content of the pratyaya. Please check your notes. Nasi, the content is us. Nas, the content is us. Do you want to know how it is each letter? I can teach you, but a lot of things will involve. If you are ready to understand, I will do it. No problem.
Okay, no problem. So we'll see it later sometime.
Okay, because you, that's okay. After teaching the Sandhi, I will do it. I'll give a list of, the rules or now itself. But every time you have to apply and see, you need to know the content is us. This is something which has been taught long before. So I expect you to know the content of the pratyas very clearly. I think I have given the form of a notes somewhere. It's given. Please check your notes. Content of Nye is A, content of Nasi is Us, Nas is Us, Ni is E, etc. They are given. And similarly here, when I say Nut is, where U is nasalized. Whenever all nasalized vowels are it letter. It letter, therefore I drop.
Yes.
And in the pratyaya, the last consonant, they are iterator.
Yes.
Yes, almost all the there may be some exceptions are exceptions. Okay, that is different. So let me write some points. I will write for you to remember without saying what the sutram. All nasalized vowels are iterator. Please, I will write in Saṃskṛtam. Anunasika. Anunasika ach. I'm giving the definition of iterator, and iterators will become lopaha. Please note.
Yes.
So I'm defining it as sanya. It is not confined to only one particular thing. It is a sanya given to a lot of things, variety of things. That which is it will become lopaha. Please note that I'm not writing. You must understand.
Yes.
Yeah.
So anunasika ach is it. Therefore, in this example here, no is.
Anunasika.
Anunas.
Therefore, it is iterator, right?
Yeah. Okay.
And the next one, number 2. I write alantyam. Alantyam it. Alantyam it. In fact, that is a sutra. Anunasika ach is it. Right? Alantyam it means what alantyam? Or I will write like this.
Ending with consonant.
Antya. Antya hal. Antyam al. The last hal will be it.
Iterator.
What do you mean by hal? What are hulls?
Consonants.
Consonants.
Because all the consonants.
Yes.
So they are it.
Okay.
Therefore, now if you see the out, the pratyaya you see, iterator.
Yes.
So it is dropped.
Makara is iterator. What about sakara? What about makara? Are they iterator? No, we have exception. With the exception of makara and sakara. Not only that, takara also. Why I say takara also? Because the next tinganta, if you see, we have takara here. We say takara is iterator, this takara pratyaya will go away.
Go. Yeah.
This is lang lakara pratyaya. Abhavata, abhavatam, abhavan. If I say tak, then if antyam hal, this is a one-lettered pratyaya. Takara, that is antya, that is adi. Right? So if I say not only takara, tavarga, nakara also is not iterator. Abhavata, abhavatam, abhavan.
Abhavan.
So with the exception of tavarga, sakara and makara, antyam al, with the exception of two covers all the,
Tavargalit.
Tavargalit.
then sakara, two and
Makara.
Makara.
so sakara, tavarga and makara. Okay. I rewrite this like this. Tusmaha. Understand what is tusmaha? Tavarga,
Takara.
sakara,
Makara.
and Bhagavachanam I'm writing tusma. Because this is sutram will be like this. Tusma. Tusm. The exception of tusm. Tavarga, sakara, makara. Or you can with the exception of, understand? With the exception of tavarga, sakara, makara, the antyam hal is it. Mainly, I'm talking about this is for the pratyayas. You can know only for the pratyayas. Yes. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a long list. It's some 4-5 sutras are there. I think this will do for you. And one more
just
thing.
to understand.
One more thing is that you ask what is relevant for us alone. I try to give. So you can note this is antyamal. I will make it antyamal, okay, with the exception of 2. So you can note for pratyaya. I'm giving this, keeping in mind the pratyaya. Okay. Then next one. I will write here pratyaya itself so that Pratyasya antyam al it. At sutra it is not pratyasya, but I don't want, if I say everything, then it will become complicated for you. So I'm just trying modifying. Pratyasya, please see. Pratyasya adi. Adihi ku. Ku is
Kavarga.
Kavarga.
kavargaha. Pratyasya adihi. Kavarga is the beginning of the pratyaya. Then that will enjoy its sanya. Therefore it will become lopaha. Understand? Not only ku, as well as tu also. Ku, tu, in fact, other is other, but it's not required for us. Just you note these three. Later, when we grow, at that time we will understand. So, Anunasika is it. Pratyasya antyam al is it. With the exception of this, exception to be noted. Okay, don't forget exception.
Yes.
Then pratyasya adihi, adi varnaha. If it is ku means kakara, kaka, kaka, ga, ga, na. Tu is da, 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 da. Right?
Yes.
Pratyasya adihi. Now with this background, now you see the pratyaya. You know what they are. Su. Su is, u is it letter. Even though it's nasalized, it's not seen, but you have to note it is how it actually it is su only.
Yes.
The language we don't write like that. Su. U is what?
Nasalized vowel.
Nasalized vowel.
Nasalized vowel. Therefore, content is
Sakara.
sakara because it is it. How doesn't have any it letter? What about just? Just also.
Jakara is.
Jakara is, that is, so I have to write here. Because Jakara also is there. Therefore, I will write Chu also. So Chavarga at the beginning of the Pratyaya, Chavarga or Tavarga. I thought not only that, Shakara also. This note. Shakara, the sibilant. Shakara also, because it is also there in the Pratyaya. So these four you can note. Tu, Shakara and Jakara. Chu, not Jakara, Chu. Tu, Chu and Shakara. Now with this you see. Jakara is part of Chu. Therefore it letter. What about Sakara? Sakara is last the consonant, not a it letter. Not that is also. With the exception I said. Therefore it is not it letter. Please note, Sakara is not it letter. What about Here we don't have any it letter.
No.
You may say that Makara is the last consonant. No, the exception I said. Not it letter. And out, yes, the last consonant is it. This is what the form of the content of the pratyaya I have given before. Sakara, au, as, au, and here.
Shash.
Shakara at the beginning of the pratyaya, it letter.
It is it letter.
Content is as. Sakara is not it letter because exception. With the exception of Sakara, Tavarga, and Makara. And Ta, content is and Takara is the beginning of the pratyaya. Therefore, it is it letter. Right? Bhyam. Bhyam is nothing is it. Makara is not it. Similarly, this, there is no it letter. There are no it letters. There are no it letters in all this. Understand? There are no it letters. Os also. Sakara is not it. Am also. Not it. Not Sakara is not it letter. Not it. They all the Os is the pratyaya, content of the pratyaya is Os only. Similarly, Am. Similarly, Os. What about Sup? The last consonant, Pakara, is it letter. The content is Su only, not Su. Here it is not nasalized. Please note the difference between 1-1 and 7-3 is 1-1 is nasalized. This is not nasalized, non-nasalized. Therefore, not it. Not a it letter, it will not become Lopaha. Then Nge, in these pratyas, there is one thing common. The pratyaya beginning with the Kavarga.
Correct.
Therefore, it letter. Content is
It letter.
A. As.
and this will be
As.
Us.
asi, and this
Asi.
is nasalized e,
Mm.
Ah,
nasalized vowel. Therefore,
Asi.
Us only.
don't say asi.
Mm.
Nasalized vowel e, with letter.
Mm.
Mm.
Content is us only.
Mm.
Similarly, nas, nakara is with letter.
It later.
Pratyasya adihi, kavarga is there. Therefore,
Mm.
content is us.
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 So
Mm.
5161 is us. Please not
Us.
nasi and su, they have nasalized vowel.
Nasalized.
That you need to remember.
Yes.
And here also, it's not nasalized vowel. Content is e only.
Yeah.
Mm.
Nakara is e, non nasalized. Therefore, not it.
Mm.
And one Sambodhana already we have seen before.
Mm. Mm.
So is nasalized
Yes.
u,
Yes.
therefore
Mm.
sakara, au,
Sankara.
Mm.
no it letter, and just
Just.
jakara is
Sakara.
Chakara is it later.
pratyasya adihi, first letter of the pratyaya, it is it, therefore content is us.
Hmm.
This you must remember.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
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 Yeah. Thank you so much. It's now
This
very clear.
it
Yeah.
letter, I already written in the form of a note, so please note down.
Mm.
I will.
Pratyasya antyamal anunasikach and pratyasya adihi. Tu, chu, shakara. These are it letters. The list is not complete. Some more are there, but it is not required for us at this point.
Hmm.
This is all we have to note. These are it letters and it sanya. These are the the pratyas and non-pratyas also will get it sanya, and that which enjoys it sanya will become lopaha. In fact, the very meaning of the word it is,
Is Lopa. Yeah.
Yes.
it's eti apagachati iti it, that which goes away.
Hmm.
It's a packing letter. That's why we say it's a packing letter.
Correct.
It's a what you say, it is a indicatory letter. That's why we translate in English in books, indicatory letter, packing letter. They are not the content. So it's like a package. You have to open, remove the packing, take the
Yeah.
content alone.
Yes.
The same thing for here also. Please note. Here pakara is there. Tip, sip, mip. Pakara is it or non-it?
It.
It.
It later.
They are it letter. And sakara,
That also is it later.
that also it. That also we will remove it.
It becomes Sakara becomes Refa. Room. It's a Refa and then
Is it or not? That is my question.
no, it is not it. It
No,
is
The
not it.
exception of sakara, makara, tavarga
Yes.
is it.
Correct.
Remember
It is
that.
not it.
Yes. Last.
Similarly,
part.
makara is your antya varna. Antya hal, not it.
Not it.
Makara is it. Yes. And G, what is the content of G? Anyway, content of G, Jakara is Chavarga letter, right? It's it letter only.
Ja, ja, ja,
But
yeah.
anyway, but we have another rule by this whole thing is replaced by, and Jakara here, it's something special. Okay, leave that. We'll see later. Fine. Then what about here? It letter. And what about Nakara? Nagingna. Antya varna. Antya
Kavarga.
concept. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, Antya letter, anything, not only Kavarga. Any consonant ending. Any consonant, any pratyaya ending with a consonant. It's it only, not Kavarga. Nothing special about Kavarga.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Kavarga at the beginning only is it.
Ah.
Not any letter. Kavarga at the beginning, Chavarga, Tavarga, and Shakara.
Yes.
Any consonant at the end, it sanya only. That's why Nakara doesn't, you don't see in the form of the Kriya Padam. Similarly, Takara is it. All these are it letter. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So what I taught you, that is enough for to understand the pratyaya. Not only pratyaya, even for dhatu also. Please note. Ita, what I said, it's not only for the pratyaya, anunasika ach. It is for the upadesha, the entire upadesha. Upadesha meaning? What is upadesha? Upadesha, I taught you, no? Upadesha.
Yes.
Last class also
Panchagrantha.
before. Panchagrantaha. So it includes Dhatupata also. So in Dhatupata, we have Dhatus like this. Like what? For example, Yetha is a Dhatu. This is a Dhatu. Nasalized vowel is therefore
With letter.
with the letter.
Yeah.
That will go away. Let us withdraw. Content is
A.
Ed.
Ed.
Ed Dhatu.
Ed.
Edha is it. Ed.
Acha.
Edati, Edataha. So it's applicable for all the Upadesha, not only for Pratyaya. Upadesha, with Dhatupata, etc. Anyway, Dhatupata I'm not covering. When you say Dhatupata, other things will come up.
Yeah,
But just
Pratyaya.
note.
Yes.
Okay, this is it. Now, coming back. Coming back to the here. So therefore, now you know what are this, right?
Mm.
The pratyas now sarvanamasthana pratyaya, asarvanamasthana pratyaya. Therefore, Shannam, I was explaining Shannam. Shatta plus Nam. That Nam, because of Nam is Haladi, Asarvanamasthana pratyaya, therefore, Pratipadikam enjoys Padasanya. Therefore, we can apply just for Sandhi.
Yes.
So when this Nutagama will come, but also because already I said everything, I will say for Rasva Shabda, Rasvanta Shabda, and for Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Akaranta, Srilinga, then for the Shad and for Chatur also. For these, how many are there for this? For this, what will happen? That Am Pratyaya, that is Shashti Vakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya will get Nut. So getting that, it will become Nam. This is the Nam which is mentioned in the Tutta Sandhi rule, with the exception of Nam. Understand? Navati meaning 90, Nagari meaning city. So with the exception of Navati and 90, Nagari and Navati, and also Nam also, Padanta 2, when it is contact with the stu will not undergo Shtutvam. So, and of course, the exception is given here. You can see. Now let us see the exception. Exception to the exception is given below. Virat plus Tapati. Virat is a padam. Tapati is a kriya padam. Tapati is a kriya padam. Therefore, Virat must be a padam, right? So Virat, the padam ending with Tavarga, in contact with Tavarga, in contact with. You had to say like that. Tavarga in contact with the preceding Tavarga letter, which is at the end of the padam. Then this Tavarga will not undergo Shtutvam. So don't convert this into Takara. Just join as it is. Virat Tapati. Similarly, Shat plus Santi. Santi is Kriya Padam. Asti Staha Santi. Shat means six people. Like in the Krishna Upanishad, Shat Shishyaha. Pipalada, he had 6 students. Six students approach him and ask him, each one asks one question, right? Shat Shishyaha. So Shat Santi. So Shat Santi is a Padam, Kriya Padam. Shat must be a Padam. Padam ending with Tavarga letter. So therefore, Sakara in contact with the preceding Tavarga letter, and Tavarga happens to be at the end of the Padam. Therefore, no Shtutvam.
No.
Now, exception to that is Shatu plus Nam. Here only, I can write in detail, that is Shatu plus Nam. Here it will go a sequence of process. Shatu is a Padam. How does it enjoy the Padasanya? That is what I explained. This is Nam, which is Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Previously, it was Am, Ajadi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Because of Nut Agama, It has become Nam. Now
Nam.
it has become Haladi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya, because of which Shat enjoys Padasanya. You understand?
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, yes.
If it is Ajadi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya, the Pratipadikam will enjoy Bhasanya.
But
If it is, when it is Aladi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya, the Pratipadikam will enjoy Padasanya. So in the beginning it was Am. As Am, it is Ajadi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya. So Pratipadikam will enjoy Bhasanya. That you cannot apply Jasasandhi. After Nut Agama, it becomes Nam. Now the Pratyaya becomes Aladi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya. Therefore, the Anga enjoys Padasanya. Padasanya, therefore, we can apply Jasasandhi. Shad. Shad will become Shad. Shad plus Nam. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
yes.
After that, now we can apply Shtutra
Natva.
Sandhi. Here only Shtutra. Shad plus Nam. Then we can apply Anusika Sandhi by that Shan.
Shanna.
Therefore, Shan plus Nam, Shan Nam. So you get. Similarly here also. Here it is a clean padam only. Navati means 90. Shad is a padam, Navati is another padam. Shad, Navati. So Shad is a padam, therefore Shat, you can take it as Shat. 6. So we can apply Jasasandhi 1, then Navati, then Sutram, Shad plus Navati becomes Shan Navati. This is a Dakara will be replaced by its corresponding Anunasika letter when followed by Anunasika. That rule also we have seen, it comes later for revision. Similarly here also, it is Shatta plus Nagari becomes Shatta plus Nagari, yeah. That only.
Shan Nagari.
Then becomes Shatta plus Nagari, Sutram. Then Shan Nagari. Understand?
Yes.
All these things I said, you have to write it. I'm not writing anything. You please write and keep notes for you.
Sure.
Don't write, watch the video again if you don't understand. Bhasanya, Parasanya, when does it enjoy? Suptingantam Padam, there is one basic rule which we have seen. A word ending with Supratya or Ting Pratya enjoys Parasanya. By extension, we give the Parasanya to the Pratipadikam. Even before, the Pratyas are added. And the Pratyaya follows, the Pratipadikam enjoys Parasanya. When? Haladi Asarvanama Sthana Pratyaya. You say it 5 times. You just get it in your memory. When Haladi Asarvanama Sthana Pratyaya follows, Pratipadikam enjoys Padasanya. So it will have 2 Sanya, Pratipadikam as well as Padam. What about when Ajadi Asarvanama Sthana Pratyaya follows the Pratipadikam? Pratipadikam enjoys what Sanya? What Sanya?
Your voice is not clear.
Huh?
No,
Your
no, it
voice is
clear.
not clear.
No, it
My
is
voice
clear.
Clear.
No, I
It
don't,
is clear.
maybe I have some problem with my listening. I can hear you properly.
Okay, those who have heard my voice, they can answer. No? When Ajadi Asarvanama Sthana Pratyaya follows, Pratipadikam enjoys a Sanya. What Sanya? What Sanya? Okay, let's go to the video. We'll see next class.
Yeah.
You have to be alert and note. I have not said anything bigger. Huh? Simple thing. Only one Sanya I said. You don't have a scribbling pad, paper, note, and I don't write it. Huh, Karuji?
No, afterwards I will go through the whole thing and then I write
This
it
is not a
down.
Vedanta class. You can just listen and then go. Shouldn't have a scribbling pad, a pen, and I'm talking
have-
right for 1.5 hours. You should write it actually. You should write it and ask me to stop. Please study it again. What did you say? Bha, right? Shouldn't you take notes? Even though I type it. Shouldn't you write it? I don't know. Then how will you learn? This is a Vedanta class. Just listen, Shravanam, and then go away.
No, I write it
Then I have,
everything. No?
The class, if you don't write, you will never write it. The class, if you don't write it. When I type, you also see the screen, and nobody asked me to stop. What is it? Please say it. And let me write. Haladi Asarvanama Sthana Pratyaya. A mouthful of words it is. To be able to say it. I don't know how many would be able to say after the class immediately. Then what's the point in learning? I mean, all my effort, in the morning itself when it's talking, it all goes waste. Next class we ask you. If you don't answer this topic, I will not teach you. Tell you. Okay. It's all. You should give an indication that you are following. You're understanding. How do I know that? When I ask you a question, I get to know. If it is too much, I will not have taught you all these things. Niranji, you asked me what are Ithalata, that's why I thought. You must remember also what I teach.
Yes, Guruji, that is
Don't
very
remember
clear.
what I teach, then there's no point in it. It's not just for curiosity's sake.
No, it is clear, Guruji, because
Clear, you have to write it, and if I ask you
Sure.
next time, you should be able to tell.
Sure.
Now my question is, Ajadi Sranasana Pratyaya follows Pratipadikam enjoys what Sanya? That I
It
explained
is
also. Ba Sanya, Ba is Ba. Some people are
Ba.
surprised. Ba, what is Ba? Ba is just
Ba is
a
Sanya.
Sanya given, that's it.
Yes,
By
it is just a
Rishi.
Sanya. Yeah, correct. It is just a Sanya.
One letter Sanya, can't we remember? What, Parulji?
Ba,
Ba,
yes,
only
you are
I
with
said.
it. That is a
I don't know what you want, but understand. Then one and a verse. Lot of things we talked about. When it will get Nuttakama, I don't know whether follow, because maybe too much. That's why I don't say everything. I just, to your understanding, I tailor all those sutra also. Tailoring the sutra to your understanding, I do it. And there are some, of course, some curious students, they ask much, in detail, therefore I tell more. It depends how much you want to extract from the teacher, it's all yours. You have to do it. Anyway, you must listen to the class. I don't know how many times you listen, as many times. I will not send notes. You have to write it.
Yes.
You
I'll
write
make a
it
note.
and send it to the group.
Sure. I will do that.
Okay, we'll stop here. I don't want to load you with a lot of information here. But this you understand.
No,
Simple
this
Sanya.
part is very clear
I
because
taught you only four Sanya. One is Sarvanamastana, other one is Asarvanamastana, Pasanya, and technical Padasanya. Simple.
Pasanya. Yes, correct.
Sarvanamastana, Asarvanamastana is not a big thing. Positive, negative. Opposite of Sarvanamastana is Asarvanamastana. And Pada Ba is defined through a negative definition. When Asarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, and Pratyaya can begin with a vowel or consonant. If it begins with a vowel, then the Pratipadikam enjoys Basanya. Therefore, you have to say Ajadi Asarvanamastana. Not just say Pratyaya. Ajadi Pratyaya. Ajadi Asarvanamastana. Similarly, Haladi Asarvanamastana. There one exception I told. Even if you don't remember the exception, it is okay. With the exception of Yakara, I told. When Yakara, the Asarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, Anga will enjoy Basanya, not Padasanya. That you don't remember, it's fine. Okay. Except when at least you must be able to remember that for Aladi, Asarvanamastana Pratyaya following, then the Pratipadikam will enjoy Padasanya. And what are Sarvanamastana Pratyaya? That also I told. Suojas Amot.
Suojas.
For Pullinga and Strilinga.
and
Remember.
Strilinga. Yes.
For Napumsakalinga, it is 1, 3 and 2, 3. All these data information you must know.
Yeah. We'll make a note.
And about Ittasanya, I talked about what are Ittasanya.
Yes, that is very clear. It was like, whenever I was going through, I get confused and I was just putting my own formula in that. So now it is very clear.
And when that arm will get Nuttahama, 6 situations are written here. Rasvanta, when the Pratipadikam is ending with a short vowel, Ikara or Ukara or Akara or Shat. Shat is very specifically given, and Chatur. Chatur also. Chatur Naam. We say Chatur plus Am. This Am will get Nuttagama, it will become Naam. Then we'll have Chatur Nam. Repa is followed by Apadantanakara, Nattam will happen. Chatur Nam. Okay, please note.
Yes, 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 sure.
We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyawada, Guru.
Thank you.